Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you all for liking the videos, watching them, subscribing, commenting. I really appreciate every one of you. So today is going to be another video in the series about fast passes. I've already posted one about the Magic Kingdom and what fast passes are great for each age group. So I thought this would be a good video to talk about what is a fast pass and how do you make that reservation. So fast pass is essentially a way to cut the line. You're not going to just walk on any ride with a fast pass, but it will help cut down your wait time by a lot. So if the wait time says 60 minutes, you're going to be waiting under a half hour, which is so key, especially when it comes to some of those really popular rides. You can pre-reserve 3 fast passes. There's a couple different ways to do this. So if you're staying at a Walt Disney World owned property, I did a video about all the benefits. This is one of them. You can make your fast passes 60 days prior to check-in for your entire vacation, which is also comes in really handy when it comes to those hard to get fast passes like Flight of Passage, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, Slinky Dog, Millennium Falcon, just to name a few. If you're staying off property, it's 30 days prior to when you're going to that theme park. Same thing goes for if you live there and have an annual pass, 30 days prior to when you're going to the theme park. You do need to have tickets already purchased and already linked to your My Disney experience. If you've purchased a package with resort, dining tickets, it all goes in there with your My Disney experience account when you link your resort reservation. If you've purchased your tickets separately while staying at the Walt Disney World resort property, that's totally fine too. You just have to link your confirmation number to your My Disney experience account and make sure everyone has a theme park ticket. So how are we gonna make them? At 7 a.m. on your 60-day mark or your 30-day mark, you are going to open up your My Disney experience app or do it on your computer. Either way, in the morning I prefer to sit on the computer, but when I'm showing you, I'm going to show you on this, and this will go the same way when you are when you're in Disney World. Alright, so let's make some fast passes. So you open the app and the little plus sign at the bottom, you click that. Then you click Get Fast Passes. This is going to tell you all the information I just shared with you. Then it's going to check for family and friends. You can be connected to other friends who are not going with you. And what's really nice, if you give everybody a little character, then it's easier to figure out who is who. And if you're going to split your party up at all to do different fast passes, that comes in handy as well. So let's pick an arbitrary date, pretending we're going in a few weeks. We'll start with the Magic Kingdom. So then you have to pick your theme park. Even if you have a park hopper pass, all 3 fast passes have to be within the same park. So let's see, you can pick by the hour at the top. So if you do have a park hopper pass, it's a good idea to pick your fast passes earlier in the morning, and then you can make more later on, but more on that later. So we're going to confirm we've got 1 fast pass for Goofy's Barnstormer. All right, we're going to add another experience. Just myself again. We're going to go back to the same date and the same park, because if you try a different park, it will not let you do that. So we already have Barnstormer. Let's see, what else do we want to do? Ooh, Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin would be so fun. We're going to confirm that one as well. Then we're going to add 1 more experience because we can pick 3. 1, 2, 3, so why not? We're going to click on through, and pick another fast pass. What is our last one going to be? Ooh, Haunted Mansion. Love Haunted Mansion. Confirm. So now at this last screen, it's not going to let me pick anymore, but we're going to view the plans. It's going to show you all my plans for the week, but it will show you February 9th. These are the fast passes we just picked out. Oh, putting the screen recording in. So the other trick is after you have used these fast passes, then while you're in the park, then you can make a 4th fast pass. Use that one, scan in with your Magic Band, then you can make a 5th, use that one, scan in, then you can make a 6th, all within your app. It's all based on availability. Now, if you want to modify the Fast Pass, you open it up where it says change right under Barnstormer. You click change. Whoever doesn't want to do this ride, you click on that person. Then we're going to find something else that we want to do instead. Maybe switch it up. Let's see. Winnie the Pooh. That's always fun. So now it's going to ask us if we want to save changes. We're going to save the changes. We're all done. It's pretty simple. The trick is making sure you have your tickets already linked, have your resort reservation all linked and ready to go prior to the 60-day mark. If you're off property, make sure you have those tickets linked as well. Now, when you're in the park, like I said, if you have a park hopper pass, then you can make more Fast Passes at a different park later on after you've used your first 3 Fast Passes. And if you do have the park hopper pass and say you only want to do 1 ride in that park and then you want to go check out something later, that's fine. You don't have to make all 3 Fast Pass reservations initially as well, depending on your plan and what you'd like to do that day. So as you can see, making Fast Passes, super simple. When I do them, I do try to like to map out the park. We always have a list of rides we want to do. We don't necessarily get to do everything, but if you get to the park for opening, you'll probably get to do a few rides at the beginning of the day before the craziness ensues, and then you have your Fast Passes for the busier part of the day. If you have your Fast Passes ending early afternoon, that's great because then you'll have a chance to reserve some more later on. So let me know, do you have any questions about how to make a Fast Pass? What would you like to make your Fast Pass for today? And if you don't have any questions, let me know. What would be your #1 Fast Pass to get? Right now, if I could pick, I wish Rise of Resistance had a Fast Pass because I would totally pick that one. But if I'm playing the game fairly, if I could pick 1 Fast Pass for my next trip, be probably Slinky Dog or 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. I love those rides. So let me know. What is one you would pick? Thanks so much for watching and joining. Can't wait to make your next Fast Pass.